So let's get to it. 20 Windows commands. So let's say you want to find your IP address. So ipconfig, and that will show you your actual IP on your local network along with the default gateway. So that's the IP of the router in case you need that. The second command, quite easy, CLS, cleans the screen, and now you're ready for the next command. So let's say you want to know if your favorite cybersecurity application is up. So you type ping and then the domain here, winsluft.com, and it will make a ping and give you the replies along with the IP so you can see whether that's the case. It is here. So now we're ready for the next. So let's say you want to copy some information to a notepad, let's say ipconfig, then you can use a pipe and then type clip, and it will actually paste the output of that command, so notepad, and then we can insert this, and now we have the results from that command. You can do this for any commands in the terminal. So if you want to see the files in your particular folder, you can use the dir command, and that will list all the files in that given folder path that you are in. So if you want to enter any of these files, you can use the cd command, change directory. Here we'll go into music. Now you see we are in the users Alfred music. Let's say we want to go back from this, we can use change directory space ... and that will return us back to where we came from. Let's say we want to make a new folder, we can use the make directory command and then new folder. Now we should have a new folder. Let's try the dir, and we should be able to see the new folder right here, and then we can try to navigate to it. If you tap the tab command after, for example, inputting a name, let's say here we have the new, and it's the only thing that starts with new, it will automatically fill in the rest. And now we are in the new folder, and we can see, yeah, there's no files in this one because we just created it. So let's remove our new folder again. So here I am, dir, new folder, and now it's gone. And if you want a graphical illustration of the entire folder that you're in, you can click tree, and that will also make it look like you are doing a lot of hacky stuff, but actually it's just listing all the files in a graphical way. So this is a quite useful command, but of course if you use it in a folder where there's a lot of files, it will take some time. But here you see it's just graphically illustrated how the files are displayed and put in folders. For example, here we have saved games, Eugene System, Frontier Development, then we have Jurassic World Evolution 2, configs, etc. If you want to see what's running on your computer, you can type task list, and it will list all the applications, scripts, etc. that you have running on the computer. And then from here you can kill any of those if you want. So we can kill any of the processes that we have in this list by using the PID, the process ID. So let's kill the notepad that we used earlier, this one. You do this by typing task kill / PID, the ID of the process, so this is 616, and then 6760, and then /f for force kill. And now notepad was removed here because we killed that particular process. If you want to list all the connections to your computer, you can use the netstat. That will show all the active connections and their port to your computer, and this will keep itself updated when new connections are made, for example as you see here.